Hello Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have external hard drive, pen drive, or mistakenly you lost your data and you want to recover this data. So might be this video is important for you. Tenorshare platform are introducing 4DDIG Mac data recovery. Same software available for Windows as well. In this video, we will see how to recover lost data using my external hard drive. Let's start demonstration on my Mac screen. Here is the platform. I already added this link in video description. For DDIG Mac Data Recovery, AI powered expert data recovery software for Mac. Which types of file and data they are recovering? Retrieval file from thrash, encrypted, APFS drive, and time machine backup recovery. 2000 plus file types like a photo, video, audio, doc, email on Mac. Works all types of devices like external SSD, HX hard drive, SD pen card, USB, digital camera, etc. So support the latest M4 chip and macOS 26. So scan previous recoverable files and free. It's very easy. Apart from that, here the rest of information is here, how you can recover the backup and what is the process. We just simply click here, download. As a download point of view, it's very small software. After complete the download, I just simply click twice, and here installation point of view, just simply drag and drop in your application. Wait couple of seconds. The application are consuming space 450 MB only. You can very easily complete this setup. Setup is completed. I just simply go here. Here is the software. I open the software, wait couple of seconds. If you want buy the software, here is the prices available, which option suitable for you. 1 month, 1 year and lifetime. My personal recommendation, lifetime option is one of the best. We just simply open here the app section. The software is open. I just simply provide here the authentication. Now question come, how you can recover the data. I just simply connect here external hard drive. My external hard drive is showing here automatically. Look at this here, ScanDisk external hard drive. Which device you are connected, or internal or external, all devices showing here. I just simply select here in the specific device and which types of data you want to recover here, like a photos, audio, video, documents and other text. So I just simply do this one, uncheck, and I simply select here the photos and scan only. So let's see, allow. So boom, very fast way I can recover the data. 229, because of every day I save the some of the videos and photos only, so that's why the showing there. We can spend here around 5 to 10 minutes, depend upon how much data you want to recover. So here all types photos, we just target here the photos only, so that's why here the photo is showing. Here the percentage is also coming, like 11% is completed. We need to spend here 1 to 0, 1 to 100%. And meanwhile, look at this here, even the data is recovered and the showing me. One of the interesting part, if I open here my external hard drive, this is the ScanDisk. This hard drive is a totally empty, not a single file is available on this hard drive. So this is the really impressive. The data is recovering here. So all types of photos I can recover here. If I select here and recover where I want a recover this software data, I just simply select here hard drive, save this file, recovery completed. If I open here, so here JPG and photo is recovered. Even I am eligible to access as well all the clarity. If I, so picture size is 3.9 MB. I click this picture using my iPhone, so yes, the quality and the size exactly what I'm expecting here. So it's really impressive. So the data recovery process is going a little long. I just simply pause here this process and I want to recover photos. You can complete this process at end of the 100%, because of here bunch of photos I or every day copy and paste. So I just simply select some of the photos. Okay, I want to recover this photos only. And now question come, how you can recover this one. So I select all of them or I select the specific photos. So I simply select the specific photos only. recover here, and afterwards you need to select the specific location, local or cloud. So local is external hard drive is just showing here of my scan disk. So I just simply say here select this particular location and save. Recovery process is going on. You just consider this process complete in 100%, and then afterwards you can do the same process as a recovery point of view. In this particular hard disk is like a thousands and thousands photos is this. That's why I just simply stop this one and recover specific selected photos. Wait here couple of seconds to complete this process. Depend upon you just simply provide this software during the night time, recover entire information of specific device and then recover. Otherwise you need to spend here how much data you have according, and just simply click here view file. So here is the file, automatically open jpg, and boom, afterwards I am receiving such a photo, and all photo comes in original clarity. That is the beauty of the software. Using the software you can very easily recover the data no matter which types of data you have. My personal opinion, the Tenorshare are introducing this 4DDIG data recovery software is amazing for the data recovery perspective. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.